Hello everyone, this is Max from Dabbler Websites, and in this video I want to show you how you can create redirects easily with your Shopify website. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave some donations with donation link in my channel. Okay, so you have Shopify website, you changed some URLs and you need to add some redirects. What you should do is go to your Shopify dashboard, click Online Store, click Navigation, and there will be button View URL Redirects. Additionally, you can go to this same place, just write in search redirect, and it will open same place. So this and this is same button. We click on it, and you can see redirections list. To add new redirects, you should click Create URL Redirect button, write old URL, and redirect to /new URL, and click Save Redirect. And that's all you should do to keep your website with your redirects. Okay, I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, click likes, and see you in next two videos. Bye bye.